So to understand why OpenClaw is such a big deal, let's talk about how AI assistants work right now. Most AI tools today are like visiting a library. You go there, you get what you need, and then you leave. When you're gone, nothing happens. ChatGPT doesn't check your email while you sleep. Claude doesn't remind you about meetings. They only work when you're sitting in front of them. And all of your conversations live on someone else's servers. But OpenClaw flips all of that. First, it runs on your server. You own it. Your conversations, your data, your rules. Second, it doesn't wait for you to visit a website. It lives inside apps you already use, like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, whatever. You just text it the same way you'd text a friend. It's already there, in your pocket, whenever you need it. And third, this is the big one, it runs 24/7, even when you're not using it, even while you sleep. This means it can actually reach out to you when something matters. So what does that look like in practice? You can message it and say, check my calendar and find a free slot this week. Done. Draft a reply to that email from my boss. Done. Research flights to Tokyo and give me the best options. Also done. But because it runs all the time, you can also set things to happen automatically. Some people have OpenClaw send them a morning briefing every single day. It checks their calendar, checks the weather, scans their emails for anything urgent, maybe even replying on their behalf, then sends a summary to Telegram at 7 a.m. before they're even out of bed. They didn't ask for it that morning, it just does it. That's the difference. The other big thing is memory, and more importantly, memory that you control. ChatGPT and Claude have memory features now, sure, but it's limited and it's stored on their servers. They decide how much context you get. With OpenClaw, you own the memory. It builds context over time and it learns your projects, your preferences, and your style. You can message it from Telegram in the morning, then pick up the same conversation from your laptop at night. It knows exactly where you left off because the memory lives on your server, not theirs. And because it's open source, you have complete control. You choose which AI model powers it. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever you prefer, and you can even change the model periodically. You can extend it with what they call skills, basically plugins that let it do new things. And there's a huge community constantly improving it and adding new features. Now, one quick thing. If you search for this online, you might see it called ClaudeBot or MoltBot. It's the same project. It's just been renamed a couple of times. OpenClaw is the current name. So why is everyone excited about this? Well, because this is what AI assistants were always supposed to be. Not a website you visit when you remember to, but something that's always there, always learning, always working in the background.